What's up? What's up, Eric? I'm feeling good. Trying to figure out what I'm going to trade this morning. Cool. So, Casey. Little cup and handle action on Palantir. Let's see it forming. I think I need the trigger to be... I don't know. I have a couple of triggers. It's just tough because this right here is a rejection candle. The little sellers came in, so right into that 30 sec level. I have two alerts for it though, so I won't be caught unawares. Hani Ali, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Sorry, Casey, I can't look at it like 4 minutes before the market opens. Because a lot of my setups I studied the night before, and I just like to see where they open pre-market. But I'll check it out later. Welcome, everyone. I think Tesla looks ready too, to be honest. This thing 676. That's the retrace level right here from... I mean, yeah, from this consolidation. And this looks like a flag to me. Pretty simple. The momentum is a little lacking right now. So it's tough because, like, let's say I get in at the break of 660. You know, I get like 16 points and the price, like the option chain barely moves on that. So it's kind of unfortunate. But 660 does seem to be where I want to be entering. So I'll keep an eye on that. And then SE here, it's at 207 pre-market, 210, 225. I mean, like, this thing has been on a tear. And it's gone from 175 to 207. Billy Casano, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. So I mean, it's kind of tough because I don't expect it to get to 245 all in one go. At the same time, it is really strong. I'm having a hard time like chasing right now though, like in general, because I'm expecting some type of pullback short term, just like 1 day, 2 days, I don't know, some sort of consolidation, because we've had 10 up days in a row on the Qs, which is great, but at the same time, it's hard to keep buying calls when you've been up for 10 straight days in a row. You have to ease up on it at some point. You don't want to get caught stopping out of like 10 positions. And it'll happen. You just don't know when. Like a break below this red line right here. I still don't know what I'm trading right now yet. I think I'm gonna focus on DraftKings and NIO. DraftKings is down. Retest. Supply zone. NIO, I have a position on it. And then Disney is the other one that is sort of getting a lot of talk. Yeah, I mean, it based above this 100. Pretty gnarly. 160? I don't know. I have DraftKings, SPY, NIO, and Tesla on my other screen. So I'll be watching that. I usually scalp. I mean, it's not really scalping. I'm like scalping is like a couple minutes. I'm not just taking small chunks. I'm looking for good setups and then waiting for them to break out. All right, Tesla's down. I told myself if Tesla went down, I would buy it today. And spot, okay. That's interesting. Roku up. Riot is up. That's interesting as well. Oh man, there goes SE. That 210. I was holding let's see. Man, there's 745 now. That's boo-boo. Even more now. I should have held at least some. Wow. Wow. It's too late for me to get in on it right now. I would have had to get on it last night to do anything worthwhile on that. But it's kind of sad because I had so much money in there and I sold it right here after this little pullback, 205. My plan was if it closed over 205 to add it back. And you can see that in the last 4 minutes, it pushed over 205. Yeah, so. Wow, this thing's just going to keep going. I'm probably down right now because of NIO and DraftKings. Just a little bit. Let's just go to target. I mean, we might be able to still trade weeklies on this, but it's a little bit like the move is 210 was the goal. So I don't want to just move my target up just because I missed it. Oh, let's turn to this one because this one's gonna be spicy. This is gonna be spicy. Oh, and wait, Tesla bounced on my fib too. I'm looking at, okay, let's see, December 31, January 15. All right, so I can get a 50-30 spread for $10. Is that worth it? No, that's like it's not really that much worth it. Man, these things are so expensive. 50, 25. I don't know, maybe I go like even deeper. Maybe I just gotta get a little bit shorter dated ones. Yeah, I mean the 50s for the end of the month are, let's see. They have about only 11 volume today. But the spread is 100%, so would have to get a really good fill. I haven't pressed any buttons yet. and Roku's going insane. Tesla is slightly down. Yeah, Crag got downgraded. I want it to cool down before coming back. Tesla's down. DraftKings down. Tesla's below my pivot now. Keys are dumping. Might have to get out of this NIO trade. Don't like where it's going. Might regret it later, but I was hoping that we would get at least one opening candle. I don't really have many open positions. This DraftKings, I might buy the dip here though, so we'll see. I think I might like, we'll see. Right here, 50. I'm gonna watch this one. Put QS on my other screen. QS went from 73 to 65. Oh, I'm on my 5-minute chart. That's kind of weird. Awkward. Yeah. I'm just holding IPOB for the longer term. And it says I have a negative position because of a wash sale rule, so oh well. Wow, SQ, my trigger, I don't know if you guys saw it, but my trigger went in the morning and I ignored it. But the trigger was for this high of day break and we got it. I think the measure move, okay, it's a little higher than I thought it was. It's a pretty nice pattern here. Pretty nice pattern. I'm waiting for the market to settle a little bit before entering anything. Usually I like to, if I don't know exactly what I'm trading in the morning, I wait like 10-15 minutes for the positions to settle, for there to be nice clear trend. That's nice though. Not really sure about, let's see, this SPY looks like the dip is being bought here. Might have to, let's see if I can get into DraftKings over the, Tesla's dumping though. 639. So far, not, man, Roku up 6% today. That's insane. It could be, it could go 10%, 330 easily. SPY, the dip is going to get bought. Disney is strong as well. I think I like this one to 60. Yeah, let's get in this one. Which ones are we going to trade though? Maybe these ones. I would like to get a... Alright, DraftKings back over 50. We're gonna get in it. We're gonna add. Oh, it's tough though. I don't know if I should be adding below this 50.5. Should have waited 40 cents for the confirmation. Would have been a lot easier. I like to wait until it breaks this 200 moving average, because then the trend is definitely changed. Oh, that was nice. Big pop, 55. See, I like to see this break before adding more, actually. So yeah, and then SQ went even more. I wanted to enter that one as well, but I picked Disney instead. The streaming is hot today. Spot, not really much there. I think Disney can have a 3% day. Maybe. No, I don't really play earnings at all. All right, SPY. There we go. I'm trying to get to, like, I don't know, 158. So looks like a nice little breakout here. See how the other positions are doing. Kind of worried about this DraftKings getting rejected here, but we'll see if I can swing this Disney thing. If it closes above 157. This is like one of my favorite moves when it gets sideways in the first 4 or 5 candles and then has a nice pop up. It's usually a really bullish sign, especially after it's been sort of, especially when it's into a new price playing field like this one is. Nice little back test and then pop. Let's check on Tesla. All right, so 638 was bought. Man, this thing looks super bullish. U has been up like day after day after day. Yeah, Disney got the upgrade. That's why I was watching it today. Man, SQ at the 3 bar. Wow. Yeah, I had my SQ mark for 215. 219. $4 on a trigger. Pretty nice. Damn, SC's gonna go higher too. I feel like I should chase this. It's just so strong. NIO and Tesla just got slapped. Okay, I'm chasing this. Sorry, folks. Not a big size though. Not a big size. By any means. Yeah, Tesla's getting slapped right now, so gotta be careful because Tesla kind of leads the market right now. Big slap fest right here. NIO Tesla. See if other names can pick it up. Mainly, you know what's interesting is Amazon closed actually. I see it closed strong, but it just can't find any follow through. No follow through. Netflix too. Like it was so strong on Friday and then just pooped. See, Tesla was already caught once around 627. DraftKings looks good here, actually. It's holding up. Should pop up, I believe. This will trigger it. NIO's getting slapped. We should turn to it for a sec to see what's happening. But what's interesting is that like other EV names are not down. Okay, so Blink, Plug, XPEV, NIO are down. Disney should have bounced at 157, but it didn't. So now I'm kind of looking at it sideways. Well, that was a 4% gain. I only sell half. I expected it to hold 157, and it didn't. But it is backtesting here, so above 157 I might re-add it back. We'll see. I don't see too much working. This Baidu thing could get crazy though. When it goes, it goes. Wow, it's actually had a nice little creep. I didn't even realize. Yeah, I still don't like it about below 94.11. Where did Disney go? Yeah, see, below 157. Don't want it to fail the breakout. I mean, it still looks decent on the hourly. I should have waited to add on DraftKings. It rejected right there. JPM has always had that sort of price target on Tesla. Yeah, I think my target for Apple was 128. Yeah, 128. Nice. Baidu is hot. Oh my goodness. This is the at the high trigger right here. I'm looking at these names that are turning red to green to see if there's any sort of momentum shift. Like this one. It's kind of a weird, awkward spot though for it. Like, it's just been following this like really backwards pattern. Or not backwards, choppy uptrend. Watch 157 rejected on Disney, so might just take our win, our 3% win. Yeah, look at that, 157. I'm a little skeptical. Damn, Baidu is huge. Huge. What a move. I mean, I like the range break on Disney. I don't really like how the momentum kind of got sucked out of it, you know? DraftKings is coming back. It's almost over my trigger. 50.55. Actually, I might take this, even though it's a little extended. Yeah, there's no sellers right now. That's for sure. Tesla's going down though, so I mean it definitely is not looking the best. How much money did I make on that? I think the answer is $3. I'm doing this because SPY, like, market's not where I want it to be. And this thing is, I said 157 was my mark, and I want to keep it there. So maybe it just pops over this candle, but I forgot that I was an SE. That is the thing that dragged me. I totally forgot about it. A little rollover. Yeah, we're going down. Whew. SPY just had a little bit of a fleshy flush candle there. I don't see a lot of good setups today. Unfortunately, kind of a wash day right now. This position's for December 31st. Aha, a fat candle. All right, let's see where we want to be going here. 370 for sure on SPY. Maybe it's time to take some puts. Did I just say that? Maybe. Yeah, shop had a ref open. I saw that actually. I saw that it was down. I expect Grog to go lower a little bit here. Like, look at that. I almost bought at 118.50 was my trigger, and it went to 118.51. So weird. Webull, you can trade cryptos 24/7 with 0 commissions. Cool. Cool. Well, Diz got for a second above. This price action's so weird on SPY. It's so weird. I don't like it. Not a big fan. This is kind of a weak trading day here in terms of the price action. If Ruka gets down to 320, I'll buy it. But before that, probably not. $321. Lots of names just had these pulls, just like $2 pulls everywhere. Pins, SQ. Snap didn't pull. SE pulled. IPOB. Nice. Oh, Baidu basing above. Sheesh, this thing is strong. Look at the volume. What do we got on tap here? Oops. Squeeze. It's a good amount of volume already into this candle. This second hourly candle, it's only 908. Tesla's going lower though. All right, where did Apple go? This Baidu squeeze, how long will it last for? Tesla, the bear flag. I love chasing these stupid things. I mean, the max risk is pretty low. Just especially when it's above the pivot. Now we have a potential. Looking for it over 80 here. I mean, the money in Tesla got to go somewhere, right? People take their money out of Tesla, they're going to put it in Baidu. Is today the day where we get the pullback? Meanwhile, I'm just writing Baidu. Okay, pen. Let's not ignore. Oh my Baidu. Okay, here's the back test. Let's put an alert for. I'm up 32% on these things. Oh my god. Holy shit, these things are huge. Wow. Really? Oh my gosh, the premium deflates so fast. This is really really volatile. Well, I exited because any day now, SPY just dumped, and don't want the money to just come out of that. Alright, well that's gonna be worthless. I took like a lotto size on that and I shouldn't have. I was just chasing. Alright, well we made like what, 200 bucks on Baidu, and DraftKings is down. I'm not worried about it, really. But these Qs, we're getting our down day here. Hallelujah. All right, this is the line in the sand though, I think. Well, let me just check on that really fast to make sure that it actually is. I think it's more here. Yeah, let's put it here. It's more right here. This base, whatever. It's not actually a big support. It's just the opening candle from yesterday, I believe. Yeah, 305 down here. I'm not in many positions that I can exit out of right now. All of them are, except for this one actually, because I want to roll this to later dated ones. Let me check on it really fast. Yeah, I think we can get out of it and buy it back later. Because I actually, this is for December, and I wanted, I was trading the January contracts earlier. Yeah, see, once Disney rejected at that 157 mark, I didn't want any part of it. Right here. $157 because like this area, like this is that 3 bar that I always talk about, and this bar pushed above 157, so you want to hold above all those buyers. And once we drop below the buyers the new buyers who bought here, you just want to get out. The VIX is still red, so that's gonna. Something to watch out for. It actually went down. Oh shoot, the thing that I wanted to get into is Roku. Oh man, look at that. It hit my price target and then I forgot about it for a second, and then look, we're back up to 23. I think I might buy it here. Oh, the contracts are so expensive. They're so expensive. I mean, it moves like $18 now. It's a $300. Yeah, the features are good. I mean, 370, I expected it to hold, and we got a little bit of a shakeout there. Tesla still looks really weak though. Tesla looks very weak around this price point. 327 should test again, I think. We're at the 50 EMA though on the hourly. Yeah, look, they went down to 370, 380, and that's when I wanted to enter. It would have been a very good trade because I would have got like, yeah, it would have been a great trade actually, but I missed it. Stupid, I need to, when I hear my alert signal, I just need to go there right away, especially on that one when I put it intraday. The one on Penn too, like Penn should bounce actually in this supply zone. I missed it. The double doji reversal strat. I love sports. I played sports all through high school. And I still play right now, actually, but just in rec league. Well, the rec league's not open right now, but I go to the gym and shoot around. But I've been watching the NFL because I've been in fantasy. I don't really watch too much college football or basketball. Although I've been watching high school basketball more. Like they show the games sometimes on ESPN Live, and those are sometimes fun to watch. Damn, that's a bounce. Contracts are 520 now. That's the one that I wanted. Yeah, I watched NBA. It's coming up. December 17 or something, right? I am a Warriors fan because I grew up in the Bay. So don't judge me. Still rocking my Klay Thompson jersey. Not right now, but all right. Body looks like it could actually bounce here. Maybe we should double dip here. Up 660. I would like it a little bit lower, like right here. If we could get over this 220.5 mark, it's a nice hourly combination. It's kind of I mean, it's not slow this morning, but I'm gonna pull up Tesla on the main. Kind of looks like it's rolling over here, but if this area, so this area is still holding, but below 625, that thing will retrace all the way down to 600. But right now it's bouncing actually. I love fantasy. With basketball, it's a little bit harder because of because you have to manage it like every day. But you can invite me. Go ahead. My email is watchjoshtrade@gmail. It'll keep me busy. In the Bay, it's shut down right now. I gotta get some water soon. Yeah, that's a big bounce in the SPY. A little shake and fake. Where did Target go? Aha. All right, so maybe we can double dip in these contracts right now because they're back to below where I bought them the first time, and they shot up real quick. 157, yeah, real quick. All right, let's try. Like, I don't want to be greedy and try to get a little bit lower, but. All right, this is a little nitty, but wow, that kind of scared me. Like, you get any pop in this name, the premium will just go up $20. Oh shoot, Chewy, good call, Eric. That's one I wanted to watch too. I wanted to dip by this one actually because of the when the premium gets sucks out 80. I like the move though. Maybe if it gets over 80, I'll touch it. All right, buddy. Last chance for you to bounce here. Oh, there you go. There's your mark. All right, don't make the same mistake, Josh, of man, the contracts are kind of weird though. Like I guess we'll take the 85s for next week. They're kind of spread far. I don't expect it to get over this print here at 83.76. This print here. What was I? Oh, it was Chewy, right? Chewy. I mean, maybe we can think about Apple now, but it's tough with the Qs below their range. Sync and pop. All right, buddy. It's your time to shine. Screw your low volume pullbacks. Give me that 40 cent, 50 cent, $1 candle. Yeah. I'll put shit on my other screen. There we go. 20 cent, 20. Like I said, $20, just one candle. Just a quick. Now, if we get a follow-up candle, it's even better. So the ping that you heard at some point, that was my Baidu other contract selling for $1. Oh shit, I missed it. All right, well, I'll take the free money. Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. There we go. Nice. See that actually is a scalp right there. But I'm not putting that much money into those. Like when that's definitely a scalp. Does Facebook have strength today? I mean, I guess it's like slightly green, but I don't know if I would call it strength. You know what is looking good is Target. Let's see if it can close over 175. Let's go check on Penn, which alerted me earlier. And there we go, bouncing out of the supply zone. A little bit of a... Can't really buy yet until it sets up. But the back test is great for us. It allows a nice little inside day to form. Yeah, the indices are kind of rolling back over. The VIX is still red. Kind of interesting. Trying to figure out which is weaker, SPY or the Qs. I think it's SPY. Yeah, I do. But that was, you know, I was doing that earlier when you're at the high. I did it for the election and before the election, but after the election, I didn't. I think the best way is to get VXX when it's green and also the indices are green, like green being a significant amount. Green, like 2-3%, and when that happens, I could have faded this, to be honest. Like a back test of this, I could have faded it, but I didn't do it. Now is where we see. So the dip was bought at first, right? And now we're gonna see if we have actually real selling here today. I forgot about it. All right, well, let's just take the profit off the table. Thanks for the call out, Eric. Appreciate it. Penn hit the reversal right here. I took a third off. All right, so pen reversed, and it's building an inside day. I don't expect the inside day to break, aka I don't expect it to get above 79 today. I mean, if it does, it's a nice little treat. So a little bit of consolidation below, but we'll have to watch this opening candle, because if it does break above, it's a inside day up. Yeah, Beyond really got a bid, huh? Yeah, this is just like one of those, like, I play this music because it's no copyright music right now. And YouTube will mute my audio if it's not, or if I don't credit, or if it's no copyright. Chewy, nice and strong. I still think, you know, that print up there will be kind of tough, 83.76. But overall, it's a nice little move. I missed Baidu early on. And Square is back testing. Might be worth it to buy right here, to be honest, but not below this. Still 214. All right, triple dip to Baidu. Can we justify triple dipping? I don't think that has ever worked for me, to triple dip. Just putting that out there. Dash opening at 130 a share. It was like 100 yesterday night. It hasn't opened yet though, right? It was oh wait, it's not even up yet. Oh, they just announced it, I'm guessing. It was 100 yesterday, I swear. Dude, this Carvana name, I actually remember trading it at 200 and getting royally screwed. Right here, right after their earnings. Played the continuation and just went straight down. Oh, no, it was on this one. Yeah, this day. It went up to 212. All the way down to 180. That was a sad day. We'll open at 1. I'm not trying to trade that. I can't really trade IPOs because I don't really trade common shares that much. All right, Chewy, you can go off. Go ahead. Chewy on the daily candle is a lift off. 50% now. You can see I really don't care like what my profit is during the day. I am just trying to make good trades. Wow, this is a great... The daily candle looks so good on this. It's actually a bullish engulfing candle as well. It'll be interesting to see what happens at the print level, 83. But I think we should get up there actually. Tesla, I always regret not buying it when it's slow. Like it could look the worst it could ever be, and then it just goes up. You know, there's no there's no like it just looks so bad, and then it just reverses like that. Now it's building a Head and Shoulders. Wow. This name has had some nice little consolidation too. There's a gap right here though. I don't like my fibs on this anymore. I probably will have to delete it. I don't think they do anything. Alright, Chewy, give me 83. This is actually working back up. So is DraftKings. Yeah, space has been huge. I haven't touched it. I don't know. Baidu's still basing above its support, its breakout line, so I gotta keep watching it. Like the fact that it's basing above here, nice, and you don't. It's just like putting in these weird lower highs though. What are these contracts that I'm trading? I'm trading the 157.50s. But the fact that it's holding above is a really good sign. Just saying. I'm gonna take these with the intention of selling if it gets below that red line, which is the at the high breakout line. Other than that, I'm just gonna let them go. Don't look at them. Let me just make a mark though. You can see that I set I can't watch everything, so I set alerts on my screen. I'm kind of used to SQ doing this thing. The shenanigans. We are almost green on the day. So close. Pretty big move. Ah, man, pen. I should have bought the supply zone. I was a little afraid of a flush, and it prevents me from buying the dip a little bit too much, maybe. She's gonna go for it. So is pen. After it back tested. Wow. I would like for it to come back to 60.48. Maybe it will here. It's below this shelf still. This price shelf. Jeez, this thing is through my fib. I think it's over the... Yeah, look at that. It was an inside day yesterday as well. Look at those. These Baidu contracts are crazy. I just am scalping them for like $40 at a time. $60 at a time, I mean. Just gonna hold it until it breaks the 9-day 9 EMA. Yep. Beyond, I mean, overpriced is always just relative to what it is the next day, right? But that being said, it's kind of, you know, it stayed up longer than I expected it to. I tried shorting it here, or like around here, and it didn't work that well actually. And I tried shorting it again here, didn't work. So I would not say I'm doing well on Beyond the last couple days at all. SPY looks kind of lower, to be honest. Why is this thing so large? Oh, I bought that on the wrong account. Oops. It's okay, I should go lower. I got filled 76, okay. Shit, I hate it when I do that. I pressed the wrong button and it... I'm trying to scalp, ah, shoot. It broke the 9. I'm trying to scalp today's expiration SPY puts. I don't know if it'll go that well, though. These things are moving. I bought on the wrong count. That's why I'm selling the extra. We were so close. We were so close to breaking even. It always does that. Always does that. Yeah, I kind of expect it to go down to here at 369, right? Or through a lot of this area. So I'm concentrating on the price action right now, so I'm not talking. Or I'm holding my breath, one or the other. Look at me. I'm a scalper. I'm a scalper, guys. It's 30%, 33%. Racking it up. Breakthrough low today, please. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. 40% now. 43%. All right, we're trying to sell here. Come on, one more candle. Let's fucking go. Excuse my language. 40%. Probably have one more candle left because it needs to flush to 369, but whatever. I'll take it. I'll take it. There it is. There's the last candle. It's another $10 per contract. Ooh. Wow, look at that. There's that flush. Oh my God, it's another $25 per contract. What am I doing? That's 100% right there. Wow. I said 369. Touch 369 right there. $369.02. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect, okay? I can't be perfect. I should have put more money in. So I held these. I had more contracts here, but I held longer here. So I made $100 on it. Not bad. Not bad. Not so bad at all. Let's see where this Chewy's going. Okay, I'm not sure about adding the Chewy, but I think I want to buy the pen dip. Pretty sure, at least. It's kind of tough because we could still see 74 trade. I would rather wait till the end of the day on this. I should have put up more money on this, but you know, 0-day expiration, whatever. Be happy with it. I filled, yeah, see, I filled 94, and that's the one that I kicked out. 94 105. I bought it at 74 and 76. Maybe I can open a starter for 80 next week and then add to it. I always justify things like that. I want a piece of the breakout. That's always what I tell myself. And so let's see, next week's 80s are 250. It's not bad. All right, let's try it. And as I say that, it goes to 270 in one candle. Wow. DraftKings, baby. DraftKings triggered. Holy. What's happening? What is that volume? You see me, I just instant ad on that. Like when the trigger hits, you got an instant ad. I don't know what happened, but there must have been some type of news because that was just like a big volume. And we're in the green. Let's go. Round of applause. Nice. I don't know what happened, but there must have been some news. Chatter of New York approval for sports betting. It looks like a trader's rumor. So I'll take it, whatever. I will take it. I might not leave my ad on though because of this rumor, but whatever. Let's fucking go. Let's go. That's what I like to see. Oh my goodness. Some big volume here. Big volume. I'm gonna have to trim some shares though. Trim some of the move. The ones that I added. Pen over the high of the day. Let's go, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I took $50 on $60 on those. And pen. We got in early and we're up 30%. And now we got Baidu working for us too. We got the whole we got the market going right now. Had to trim on the DraftKings though. Like I just hit the buy button. Didn't realize why I was hitting the buy button. So, and Target might get over 175. These pens could be huge, like 90, like $10 huge. We'll see. Wow, look at this turnaround. Just like some, just being in the right place at the right time. I don't know. I was watching it. I got the triggers. Right place, right time, baby. So cool. All right, I'm not gonna keep any money in this after scalping. Wow, just like incredible. Just like one article. Wow, incredible. I know y'all aren't watching. Sorry, I have a different screen up. 60% immediately. Wow. Look at these pen contracts too, 40%. All right, I'm gonna have to see about trimming here again. Because when you get a gift, don't give it back. Don't give it back. I should have trimmed it a little bit earlier. Yo, sorry. Damn, this thing is still screwing with me. What an insane play. All right, I'm gonna have to roll these. Wow, just incredible. 75%. I don't know if it's gonna fill me. Oh, it filled me. Hell yeah. I'm gonna have to roll them later. Just like really great news. Right place, right time. Thank you, market. Went from, down. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. And I trimmed a lot. Baidu's going for the high a day too. Sheesh. I already cut those though. Wow, what a move. That was pretty cool. Cash out on stream. I mean, you know, don't complain when the market gives you a gift, you know? Don't complain. Momentum breeds momentum. There was a reason for these bullish sweeps in DraftKings. All right, y'all. On the high note, I have to exit because my voice is starting to hurt, and I don't want to make myself sick again. I need to go drink some water, and I'm gonna step away. After I will send you a link in the chat. There's something that are getting more and more attention because of the way that information has just become readily available. But go ahead, look that up. There are services. I hope you made some money on Penn or DraftKings or whatever. I entered DraftKings at just the right time, or Penn, I mean, just the right time, like literally the bottom of that little run up. So thanks, Damar. I saw that. Don't worry. But talk more later. Thanks, guys. Peace. Yeah, Twitter. Watch Josh Trade. That's all.